How to contact Temu Customer Service. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Temu. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom center. From there, scroll down till you find the option that says Customer Support. Click on it. And here, what you need to do is at the bottom, you will see that you have an option that says Still can't solve the problem, and it has the feature to contact us. Click on it. And as soon as you do that, you will get to this page right here, which is a chat page with the Temu customer service. So you will be able to ask them anything and they will reply back to you. As you can see here, you can include screenshots or anything like that. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can contact Temu customer service and support. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.